How to find balance settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find balance settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find the three lines, and click settings and privacy, and now click balance. And as you see here you will find the balance settings, and here you can recharge your balance, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.